everyone, welcome to my art channel. My name is Soraya. So today I thought I would continue with my kind of black and white paintings, but this time I'm going to swap out the gold for some silver, and I'm going to keep purple. I think the purple and silver will work really well. So I'm excited. It's an unusual size canvas. You'll see here in 1 second as I start. Let me know what you think. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. So just hang on and let's see what happens. Okay, so today I'm working on a 20-inch by 60-inch canvas. So it's rather large. It's gallery wrapped. You probably can't see the whole thing on camera. Now the colors are the acrylic, soft body acrylic by Artist Loft. And I have a silver this time. Primo, just tempera prima silver, Liquitex Basics Mars Black, and a little bit of permanent Amsterdam's permanent blue violet. Amsterdam's permanent blue violet is what it is. So a little bit different. I decided to swap out the gold for silver and see what would happen. I think it will look nice. I hope. Wish me luck. Okay, so my idea is just to have the white on the outside part with lots happening on the inside. So I'm just going to pour, and I have 3 of these cups. I think they're about 10 ounces each. Just want to make sure that that whole area gets covered. And now I'm going to do the last cup. Some of it will be on the inside part. Not too much. The black. Keep some of this white as well, so I have it just in case I need it. I love putting down this streak of silver. It is so beautiful. The anticipation of what's to come is so exciting. I sing next. Take my hand and take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. I'm not cutting anything out here. I wanted to show you exactly my whole process. You'll see how this all comes together. As you can see, I'm doing kind of a Dutch pour and then blowing it back out. I wanted to have different effects for this painting. Basically, this is a neutral kind of painting, except for that purple. And I think you really need something like that to make it really stand out. canvas, it really works well with the design and composition of this painting. I'm just loving the way this is looking. I've got close-up video coming up real soon. Okay, here it is, still from your side, what you were looking, and just closer detail. I think it looks beautiful. I really, really love it. It is very simple overall. And because I put water, it broke up, and I love that they have these kind of areas in here, these circles. Look at all the cells. I think it looks fabulous. I'm gonna go around and show you the other side. Here we are, the other side. It still looks great. I love, love, love this. Look at that. I think it looks wonderful both ways. So I'm gonna let it dry. I don't know that I'm going to enhance this at all because I think it looks beautiful on its own. But you know, you never know when it dries. Love that purple against the black and that stark white. I think it looks incredible. Yeah, it really is beautiful. So hang on just 1 second, I'll be right back. Okay, so it took a couple of days to dry, but I love the way it looks. You can see the silver in here, and there's so many beautiful patterns. Beautiful. Now, I think I am going to add a little bit more color. I'm finding that it's just a little dull, and I'd like to really play off of that purple. So I'm going to be using Amsterdam Titanium White, and then the Azo Yellow Deep Hue, and also the Liquitex Soft Body Cadmium Yellow and Artist Loft Light Blue. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them all, but I'm just going to start and see where it goes. So while the painting is drying, I'm often going back, visiting it, looking at it, examining it, seeing what I like, seeing what I think could change, so that when I do start to enhance it, I kind of already know the direction of what I want to do and what I want to change, what I don't want to change. Since one of my favorite color combinations is purple and yellow, I decided that I needed to have just a touch here and there. It's not standing out a lot, but it's just enough to make that bit of extra wow in the painting. These details are the details that will make your pores stand out. They will be different. They will be unique to you. No one else will be able to create anything like it. So each work will be totally unique and original. You can see by my paintbrush I have a tiny bit of light sky blue, just adding it here and there, again just as a highlight, not to really have it stand out, but just to complement the other colors. Close-up video and images coming up. Okay, here it is all finished. I am super happy with it. I love that it's just that little bit of really strong yellow. So I did tone it down. I had gone through and kind of added a lot of yellow, but in small portions, and then I went back and toned it down. I didn't want to have the yellow kind of dominating everywhere. I really wanted it to be concentrated in this area, and so that's why I did that. And I added a touch of blue here and there, and I love it. I think it's a great abstract. Let me know what you think, and click on the link you see now so you can see more of my enhanced pours.